Hey guys, what's going on? Merry Christmas. Today's 26th December, so it's Boxing Day, and I've had breakfast, I've had lunch, on top of all the food I ate yesterday. So I thought I'll take her out for a spin. Not only that, my local Waitrose is closed, so I gotta drive to Tesco's, so I might as well take her, because I want sweets. And I don't normally drink fizzy drinks, but I feel like a Coke. So let me just start her up. Should start, hopefully, and then let's go from there. Wow, you can really smell the unburnt fuel, but I love this thing. It's been probably 5-6 weeks since I last started it. Not driven it, started it. And you guys heard it, started on the button. Absolutely love it. Who says JDM isn't reliable, or 300zx? But I fucking love it. Let me get it warmed up and then take it for a spin. So I wanted to, obviously, we'll warm up on the journey, but if I get a chance, as it's quiet, I might send it, but I might not. Depends. Maybe be some Christmas hooliganism going on in the Tesco's car park, you never know. Anyway, from this point, can you see the windscreen and the side windows different color? Windscreen is the original brown tint JDM, and the windows have been replaced by UK spec blue tint. So Euro US spec was blue, JDM was brown, as you can see. I think when I tint the side windows anyway, so you can't see a difference, because that annoys me. So the car's warm. Not just that, but it's I've checked the tire pressures. The two rears were quite a bit off. Now let's go and get some sweets and some picky food for the rest of the day that is Boxing Day today. And let's see if we can find an empty spot so we can send it.
It's very early in the morning, BBC. But we back. And 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 we back. Yeah. And we back. Yeah. Come on, son. This ain't no intro. It's the entree. Hit that intro with Kanye. Sound like Andre. Trying to turn my baby mama to my fiance. She like music, she from Houston, like Auntie Beyonce. Man, my daughter couldn't have a better mother. If she ever find another, you better love her. Man, I swear my life is perfect. I can merge it. If I die, I'll probably cry at my own service. It was a dream. You cannot mess with the beat. This is like them many rings. Y'all know what I mean. Live with the kids of the king of all kings. This is the holiest thing. This is the beat that played under the word. This is like them that ain't like what it heard. This is the visually first. This is the third. This is the fourth. This is all we got. We might as well. One more time, man. This is the music is all we got. This is live, isn't it? Okay. Anybody in their car stick? Anybody listening to the radio right now? I want you to say, we know. Say, we know we got it. We know we got it. lot of weird food folks out there. But you already know I'm $100 grand, and I want to just extend this prayer and extend this love from all the way in Britain. We might come back early to come see this, man. Happy Thanksgiving. This is the
Have a look at the size difference between the Nissan and that car. That's not even a big 4x4, you know. That's not even a big 4x4, and in England, that's a small car. And look how low and... I should have folded the mirrors in the corner.
Oh yeah. So we might as well give it all we got. You already know. Listen. I get my word from the sermon. I do not talk to the serpent. That's that holistic discernment. Daddy said I'm so determined. Told me the goofy can't hurt me. I just might make me some earth.
TG raw. Squashies. Alright, so I've got super sweet tooth. And yesterday, Christmas Day, before we shut, I was hungry. So
Daddy said I'm so determined.
So I've got Cokes, got Fizzy Balls, Mawans, Jelly Babies, and let's see what this squashies hype is all about. Get them squashy vibes.
I do not talk to the vermin. That's that holistic discernment. Daddy said I'm so determined. Told me the goofy won't hurt me. I just might make me some early. I got baptized like real early. I might give Satan a swirly. Wish I could tell you it's ready. Tell you it's ready today. They don't give nothing away. You gotta fight for your way.
In the earliest dance works days, when at the E36, we had this thing called Spot the Lows. So where you park your lowered car and then you see against normal cars. Spot the lows.
Listening to the radio for me.
This is mad. So there's not many like 300zx's, 350z, 370z. There's not many Z bodies in the UK. Really isn't. They're quite rare. So I come to park up. Jeez. Damn. And society sticker as well to boot. Sick guy. Anyway, let's go. Light's fading. Shall I send it? I don't know. On a side note though, and just before we go, car needs it clean so much just from sitting. The wheels are dirty, the lips are dirty, but my skirts are super dirty. Made it back home, just that quick drive to Tesco's, got everything I needed. Give the car a run, which is the most important thing for me right now. Shame there's no snow, there's no anything, so I couldn't really do like the snow drifting. It's not even that wet, it's literally shit. It's fucking shit. The weather's terrible, it's freezing, as you can see I'm all layered up. But not just that, being Boxing Day, it's actually quite busy. I really couldn't send it. I can't think of any other like local places for me to go and know that there's going to be enough space for me to. There's a couple of industrial estates, but they're gated off, so they're closed. And there's one with a massive speed bump at the front, which again I won't be able to get through. So I couldn't give it the revs, and I couldn't really give it any beans at all whatsoever. It's too many people really for me to be that antisocial, but I gave the car a run. The car moved, which was fun. See you later guys, have a good one, and Merry Christmas.